April is National Brunch Month, and Easter, of course, is one of the best days to have brunch.
Right, we were just talking about it's time to eat, so hungry.
We were saying I think we're just hungry.
We're
hungry.
Celebrity nutritionist Karina Heinrich is back, and today she is putting her best-selling Karina Method recipe guide to good use with her help of her daughter, Skye.
They are in the kitchen to show us how easy it is to whip up the perfect Easter brunch, even if you have zero cooking skills. I'm going to be watching this closely.
Hi, I'm Skye.
And I'm Karina, and we're so excited to show you how simple it is to put together a really delicious but extremely easy to make Easter brunch using healthy ingredients.
So easy, even I could make it.
Yes, Skye, even you could make it. The ideas are all for the non-chef in mind, so there's absolutely no intimidation stepping into the kitchen.
I love the pancakes you make.
I love pancakes too. When putting together your brunch, I suggest literally writing out a menu and making sure to touch everyone's taste buds. It's great to include clean carbs, lots of fiber and protein, and of course healthy fats. You can make your own pancakes or store-bought. Just try to look for whole grain options. You can put out all kinds of toppings for your pancakes: honey, maple syrup, cinnamon, and different healthy fruits.
And chocolate chips too, please.
Absolutely, Skye. It's also fun to create a do-it-yourself parfait station. Serve Greek yogurt, homemade granola, and lots of fresh berries for topping. It's good to sneak in as many healthy toppings as possible.
I know you love eggs too, Mom.
I do. So an omelet station is always a must and truly so easy to put together. Making sure to add in tons of veggie ingredient options. And don't worry, messy omelets are the yummiest, at least we think so. Just have fun with it and give your family as many healthy options as possible to help balance out all the Easter egg candy.
We hope you have a delicious brunch.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter right back at you. I love Skye as the new addition there.
That was
with
awesome.
Mom. Yeah, hopefully we get to see Skye again. So you're going to find these Easter breakfast tips on our website, ABC7chicago.com, also on our news app.